I don't know why it has not happened. You know, I started my career with some very, very serious, intense films like Tarla. I've done characters like Maharani. और not that कि मेरे पास कोई बहुत ज़्यादा choice थी. आप जब शुरुआत करते हो तो जो आपको मिलता है वही करना पड़ता है. Why should people put me in a box and think नहीं, you are only good for doing this. You are only good for doing intense parts. And I'm like, but ये rule किसने बनाया? Why should I, adhere to your idea of what I am good for? I can do this also and I can do that also and I can choose when I want to do what I want to do.
If any of these iconic dance numbers you get to recreate, we have Kajrare, we have Chaiya Chaiya, we have Chikni Chameli and we have Munni Badnaam Hui.
मतलब मुझे मार दो, है ना? ये सवाल क्यों ही पूछ रहे हो आप? मतलब
Was there a hook step which you would have tried later अपने कमरे में छुप कर but नहीं सही हो पाया?
वो पता किसको चलेगा? वो तो कमरे में बंद है, तो मुझे तो अच्छा ही लग रहा है. मैं तो वाह, I've killed it today.
Any song for a dance off between Huma and Sona?
You should do na the Dil To Pagal Hai dance off, the famous one. Recreate that.
Madhuri or Karishma, what are you going to pick for yourself?
No comment.
Hi guys, this is Ankita Bhalla. You tune to Bollywood Bubble और दिल थाम के बैठने का टाइम है क्योंकि हुमा कुरैशी मुझे exactly बताने वाली हैं कि कैसे उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर मी. ज़रा आऊँगी मैं फ्लोर पे थोड़ा आग लगाऊंगी. बिकॉज कमेंट्स तो मुझे यही बोल रहे हैं कि क्या बात है, मतलब एकदम माधुरी वाला लेवल आ गया है. मैंने कमेंट्स में पढ़ा है, बताइए.
I don't know, but I think it just happened, yeah. I think when Jayu, the producer, he came to me and he made me hear the song for the first time. घर पे आके तो I loved the track. And I've always wanted to have my own track where you just walk into a party और आपका गाना बज रहा है, सब डांस कर रहे हैं और hook step कर रहे हैं. So I think, and of course Raj is in this film, one of my closest friends, and it was just a no-brainer for me to do this. I had a lot of fun doing this song.
Because if we go through your career trajectory, there are just numbers here and there. A little bit of Monica, and we saw De Ishqiyan, we had some pieces here and there, but never a full-fledged dance number.
Yeah, I don't know why they've not given it to me.
ये वो Bollywood heroine वाली feeling चाहिए थी ना?
Of course, and I think but I think for me it was not important कि करना ही करना है. For me it's important the song has to be right and it just has to be everything has to be aligned. I think I'm not a believer ever of just doing stuff for the sake of it. And I feel like when I have to do a song, it has to be really something very special. And I'm so happy that Dil Tham Ke came my way. It's such a beautiful song. I love Sachin Jigar. Such a great composition, beautifully sung, beautifully choreographed, and I had a blast and I felt beautiful. And I think, and they shot me beautifully. So I think it's, it was a no-brainer really to say yes to it.
मेरा फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन सॉन्ग देखने के बाद था जयदीप अलावत ने ना रिसेंटली बोला कि तुम लोगों को तो पता ही नहीं है, मेरे दोस्त तो मुझे कटीली नचनिया बुलाते हैं. मेरे अंदर एक डांसर छुपा हुआ है
कटीली नचनिया
जो तुम लोगों को पता ही नहीं है. तो was it also for the longest time, are you a dancer? लोगों को पता है you are a dancer?
I'm a phenomenal dancer and I dance बचपन से जो practice कर करके dancing with your face in front of the mirror, सारे पुराने गाने देख के बहुत किया है. अब वो दुर्भाग्य है आप लोगों का कि आपने मुझे मौका नहीं दिया है. मैं तो तैयार थी बहुत सालों से.
मैं तो कब से हूँ रेडी
तैयार.
Huma's giving me headline.
It's a different song though. Let's come back to Dil
Tham Ke. But that's like क्योंकि मुझे उनकी बात पे बहुत हंसी है. कोई देखता ही नहीं इस नज़र से. Does it also happen because the kind of filmography you have, which boasts of intense female-led powerful roles, nobody dares to Huma ji एक
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. जब मैंने शुरुआत भी की थी तब भी कोई नहीं आया था कि हुमा जी मतलब. But I think I don't know why it has not happened. I feel maybe because I started my career with some very very serious intense films. और not that कि मेरे पास कोई बहुत ज़्यादा choice थी. आप जब शुरुआत करते तो जो आपको मिलता है वही करना पड़ता है. And फिर बोलते नहीं आपकी image set होगी. मैं कहा but I तो मतलब it's a catch-22. you can't choose. मैंने तो कुछ किया ही नहीं. मैं तो कर सकती हूँ. आप थोड़ा मौका तो दीजिए. नहीं but I think देर है दुरुस्त है. I love dancing और मुझे जब भी मौका मिला है फिल्मों में मैंने I think ठीक ठाक ही किया है. I think
मेरे लिए मोनिका वाला वो सही था. The one number which you had with Monica, I'm like okay.
Yeah, I think that also got a lot of love. And we were not expecting for it to kind of blow up like that. And उसके references भी जब मुझे याद है मुझे दिखाए थे तो I was like wow, I'm going to have so much fun with this. मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है डांस करना. मुझे बस like you said ना कि कराते नहीं है. इनका दुर्भाग्य है. अब मैं क्या करूँ.
But what was the first dance number? हम सबने बचपन में शीशे के आगे बहुत ठुमके लगाए हैं. मैं वो वाली डांसर हूँ. कैमरा नहीं हो पाएगा. तुम घर में बता दो कहाँ नाचना है.
फर्स्ट तो सारे मतलब श्रीदेवी मैम और माधुरी मैम के सारे गानों पे I think I must have tried to dance. हवा हवाई का हो गया, या यू नो ऑल हम आपके हैं के सारे स्टेप्स सब पता है मुझे.
टेस्ट लेना पड़ेगा कभी, मैं 2
ले
मिनट
लो
में
भाई,
सब
कभी भी
कुछ
ले लो.
लूँगी।
हाँ, ओपन चैलेंज.
देखो ये ज़्यादा भी इतना मैं रिस्क नहीं खाएगी, इतना रिस्क नहीं होगा मेरे से.
रिस्क है तो इश्क है.
हुमा, पर हमारे ना इंडस्ट्री में ना बड़ा है, मेरे को डबल एज स्वॉर्ड वाला सीन भी लगता है.
हाँ.
पहले बोलते हैं जैसे आप कह रहे हो कि वैसे नंबर्स आते नहीं है, विच आर परफॉर्मेंस ओरिएंटेड, इट्स अ फॉर्म, डांस फॉर्म एट द एंड ऑफ द डे. देन जैसे कि आइटम नंबर्स है, एक सर्टन लाइन क्रॉस हो जाती है, वल्गैरिटी है, तो कहाँ इंसान बैलेंस कहाँ ड्रॉ करता है? लाइक हाउ डू यू
क्या पता है फर्क क्या होता है? फर्क ये होता है, पहले कुछ गाने ऐसे होते भी हैं जो बहुत ही मेल गेज वाले गाने होते हैं, where you know there is an objectification of a woman, it's being done for a certain purpose, and you know, and आप जब वहाँ पे as a woman also when you walk, होता है ना, आप किसी गलत गली घूम जाते तो as a woman आपकी बॉडी में होता है कि नहीं गलत जगह आ गए, वैसे वाली फीलिंग आती है. But no, I think as far as you're talking about a song in which you're celebrating the female form, you're celebrating her sensuality, you're celebrating her beauty, you're celebrating her glamour, there's nothing wrong with it. And in fact, all the more reason, you know, because I've done films like Tarla, I've done characters like Maharani.
Yeah.
I think why should people put me in a box and think, "Nee, you are only good for doing this. You're only good for doing intense parts." And I'm like, but ये rule किसने बनाया?
Exactly.
And why should I, you know, adhere to your idea of what I am good for? I can do this also, and I can do that also, and I can choose when I want to do what I want to do.
Is it imperative, because now I think you have, when the song came to you, and somebody who's so conscious of the path she does, how the song is shot, what the lyrics are, what am I wearing, are these things like they're important to you, or you let
Everything is important to you. Everything is important, but it's a collaborative process.
Yeah.
I think I was working with a team that are so good at what they do. Pulkit is a director whose work I thoroughly enjoy. I loved Bhakshak. In fact, मैं उनसे मजाक भी करी थी कि मतलब मुझे लगा था आप और मैं कुछ करेंगे तो कुछ intense टाइप करेंगे, but imagine we are doing like this real
but ये भी देखिए
full-on
उन्होंने
song.
आपको इमेजिन करा किसी और ने.
Yeah, you know, Jay has been a friend, Jayu, for many years, but we've never worked together, but we are friends. And Raj and I have worked, and every single time, touchwood, we worked. You know, it's always been fruitful. People have always enjoyed our pairing together. So, I mean, I thought I was in the safest hands ever. Vijay Ganguly and I have done Monica ka gana together, and you know, I love his work. I think कोई भी hit गाना हो, मतलब chance से उन्हीं का ही होगा. उन्हीं का ही होगा.
He's the one who's
And
doing
he just
this.
understands, you know, he just understands your strength as an artist, as a performer, and he just gives you those steps that actually make you look and feel better. Niharika, who did, you know, the costumes, is fantastic. She's really like the OG, you know, in our industry. Anuj, who has just lit it up beautifully. I always get to work with him. So I think when you have such a great team of really good, talented people, you know, who are all working so hard to make you look good, why would I have those kind of questions? You know, I think kahin na kahin this comes from conditioning also. And I feel like when I walked into doing this song, I was like, I'm just going to have fun. I'm going to be unapologetic. I'm going to own the way I look. I'm going to dance. I'm going to emote, and I'm just going to have fun.
And you look the way you look. It's not like ये होता ना कि ये क्या था, ऐसा नहीं था. It's like, oh, it's like that. अभी हुमा ने मुझे सर थोड़ा सा चैलेंज किया, मैं थोड़ी डांस नॉलेज टेस्ट करूंगी. छोटी-छोटी चीजें.
Dance knowledge.
हाँ, मतलब songs, the hook steps, the OG behavior. Easy questions. Okay, first one. If any of these iconic dance numbers you get to recreate, listen guys, hypothetical, कोई comments में नहीं लड़ेगा. Just who would you pick? I'll give you options. We have Kajrare, we have Chaiya Chaiya, we have Chikni Chameli, and we have Munni Badnaam Hui.
मतलब मुझे मार दो, है ना? ये सवाल क्यों ही पूछ रहे हो आप? मतलब like these are all of my favorite songs.
But if you get a chance to do it,
कजरारे तो मतलब we have to dance कजरारे, all these songs, मतलब कोई भी हमारी पार्टी हो, बर्थडे हो, सेलिब्रेशन हो, रैप पार्टी हो, कुछ भी हो, ये गाने बजते ही बजते, तो इस पे कैसे चूज किया जाता है? मतलब वो ऐसे ना, वो ऐसे शुरू होती है एक लड़ी और सब वो ऐसे फिर एक सेट है, वो वैसे ही बजता है. No, yeah, these are iconic songs, and I would be very stupid to even like pick a favorite out of them.
Pick a favorite out of them.
I really can't. It's very painful. How to pick between your right and your left thumb?
Okay. So which hook steps live in your head rent free? Like the instant hook step, कभी भी जो दिमाग में आ जाता है.
All of them. I think Chaiya Chaiya. I mean Chaiya Chaiya तो मतलब जैसी वो एक moment आता है, सब floor पे चढ़ के, you know, we all do that step and we all imagine we are on this train
with SRK, which is not just moving forward only. I think Chaiya Chaiya is a go-to thing. Like
Every party has to end with one performance of everyone getting on the floor and doing Chaiya Chaiya. For sure. For sure.
for all these songs you have seen over the years, was there a hook step which you would have tried later अपने कमरे में छुप कर but नहीं सही हो पाया? मुझसे कितने नहीं हो पाते? I remember when Ritik's song came from अपना कहो ना प्यार है. I just couldn't get this right. It took me days. I was obsessed. ऐसे कैसे हो गया?
नहीं देखो अब वो पता किसको चलेगा, वो तो कमरे में बंद है. तो मुझे तो अच्छा ही लग रहा है. मैंने वाह.
बट कभी ऐसा था कि जिसमें डिफिकल्टी हुई एक बारी में क्रैक करने में?
I think some of my friends have some very embarrassing videos of me trying to do the Tauba Tauba step.
वो तो चैलेंज में नंबर ही नहीं है ना. वो
हाँ,
तो मुझे
मतलब मैंने अब मैंने हर जगह ट्राई किया. हम लोग हॉलिडे सब जगह ट्राई किया कि एक बार ही हो जाए. बट one day I will get there. One day.
अच्छा, quickly, is there an actor whose energy on dance floor intimidates you if you ever have to do a face off with them?
A face off.
Yeah.
अरे मतलब there's such great dancers we have.
बताओ.
Yeah. I think everybody from, I don't know, I think the king of dance, I think Mr. Hrithik Roshan, I think he's fantastic. मतलब मैं तो थोड़ा सा, I mean I did a very small number in Deed Ishqiya with Madhuri ma'am.
Yes.
तो मैं तो बहुत डरी हुई थी. You know, I was like, तुम लोग क्या करा रहे हो मुझसे? मतलब मेरा पहला गाना और वो भी माधुरी मैम के साथ. मतलब why are you trying to sabotage my career?
अभी शुरू ही हुआ.
Yeah, and I remember this very funny story. So मैं तो रोज रिहर्सल पे पहुंच जाती थी, रिहर्सल करी and she had just come one day and she sat on a chair like हाँ दिखाओ, and she saw it once. She's like ठीक है, and she left. अब तो मतलब I died. मैंने कहा अब तो पक्का कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा. मतलब एक बार देखने से अगर स्टेप्स याद हो रहे हैं और यहाँ पे हम लगे हुए हैं 3 दिन से. But no, it was really special. I think she's a wonderfully warm person to work with, and very, very gracious and very, very graceful.
I would say
extremely gifted and extremely warm. So I really like. I mean, she made it very comfortable to work with her. To be honest.
Done. Okay, your go-to dance number at any party?
My go-to dance number. I think Kajare जब भी बजता है तो मजा आता है. Then you have to do like then you decide कि okay who gets to play Mr. Bachchan and who gets to play.
That is the best part.
Yeah, right.
Like who gets
to play who?
The
boys always want to play Aishwarya.
Is it with you also?
Yeah, all the guys. I'm like, yeah. It tells us a lot about Indian men.
Well, okay. A kind of item song you think you would never be able to pull off? Any song from any of the old ones? Like, ये हो ही नहीं पाता मुझसे. Like, if I personally have to do, I'll be like, Helen numbers तो खैर beyond है.
I mean, ये हुआ ना मेरे साथ मोनिका के टाइम पे. तो मुझे वो उन्होंने ना एक montage बनाया. Reference track उसको बोलते हैं. जिसपे सारे हेलन मैम के और परवीन भाभी जी के पूरे उन्होंने मेरे को वो दिखा रहे हैं. और मैं ऐसे बैठ के देख रही हूँ and I'm like, And I'm trying to be like, you know, I'm the lead of the movie. I have to like be like, of course I can do this. And I'm like, और वो खत्म हुआ तो I looked at वासन ऐसे आप लोगों का दिमाग खराब है, कैसे होगा? ये नहीं हो पाएगा. And then of course, but the idea is not to imitate. The idea is to just bring your own spin to it. You know, how would you do it? But the idea is to catch the energy. Of that dance, of that movement, of that form. I think that's the important thing. I fully dance with my face. I think more than my body, I dance with my face. Yeah.
Is there a Helen number which stays in your head rent free?
I mean, the Monica title track. I must have heard it like a gazillion times, especially during the making of the film also. Every time I would walk on set and the ADs would play that song. Monica! And I was like, thanks. And I would suddenly do a hair flip and say, thanks guys.
It's just like me, natural.
Yeah.
Okay, if your life had a dance montage, what song would play?
If my life had a dance montage, I don't know, yeah, let it cut it to any Jaslene Wal's music. I love her voice so much. It has like a very soft, soothing, peppy, yet happy vibe to it. I think that would be my life montage.
If I would have to recast you in a song na, as like a fan, it would be very kisi disco mein jaye. Like, I think you would be like too.
Why is that?
I think the face part na, this
I'll look
entire
at disco girl
expressions. No, but the expressions. I mean,
it's like that.
Because as we were talking now, I can imagine you doing like just, because that song, if anyone observes, is more to do with the face than with the steps.
But songs are about facial expressions. अभी सब लोग पता नहीं कुछ acrobatics करते रहते हैं, and I feel like
there was a phase everyone
was doing acrobatics. I'm like, no, it's not about like. I mean, it is about you have to look good and whatever, but it's about like how you're feeling the song. I think like for example, back in the day, like what Govinda sir used to do. Like I mean, you can't even touch him. He used to just feel the song. Like, you know, and वो कुछ अलग ही इतने small baby steps कुछ तो कर देते थे. Then you're just like mesmerized by that kind of skill that you have as a performer. You know, it's about how you bring meaning to the words.
And lastly, if there is a female contemporary you want to bring along with you on the stage and do a duet at this particular point in career, who would you think you will match your
Like a
energy?
dance off.
Yeah, like a dance off. Like you have so many friends out there also who are great dancers, I know.
Yeah, actually.
Who would you?
Yeah, I think me and Sona could have a dance off. I mean, I'll kill her, but that's besides the point.
Pick a song for you too. Let's end it with that.
Pick a
Song
song.
for you too. कोई भी random song for you too.
I don't know. Give me a song.
Anyone can help on the floor.
Yeah, say. But then both of us have a dance off. Or any
Yeah.
song for me. What?
Any song for a dance off between Huma and Sona.
You should do the Dil To Pagal Hai dance off, the famous one. Recreate that.
Madhuri or Karishma, what are you going to pick for yourself?
No comments.
Dance of envy it was. यहाँ पे dance of envy तो नहीं होगा, लेकिन dance of friends would be like,
Yeah.
let's see
Yeah.
who does it. But this is so much fun. I mean, I think I want to see more of you, not just for a particular dance number. It's high time I see you in a movie where we have lots of dance
Yeah,
numbers.
make a dance
doing-
movie, no? Yeah,
Yeah.
that'll be fun. It'll be fun to do like a period film, lots of like grand dances or like a more disco mein jaye type of
And all with
numbers.
the mujra. Oh,
That'll be lovely. That'll be lovely. इसी बात पे.
But guys, anyone who's watching, please, Huma and more dance numbers, manifestations and everything in the universe,
So
kindly look
sweet.
into
Thank
it.
you.
Because
Thank
I
you.
loved it. And I was telling this to someone just before the interview. If the dance is too complicated now, it becomes very technical. Give us moves which you easily
Can
get
follow.
it. Yeah, and when I
But
saw
that's
this,
that's the maza of a hook step, right?
Yeah.
Like when you walk into a room and like people are just trying to do their version of it. Like so many people, like, you know, they're tagging me, like just fans, regular people, not like famous people or whatever, just trying to do the hook step, like, you know, a housewife, some really young kid, and you're just like, so cute, and it's maybe it's not the right thing or the exact step, but it's their version of it. And when I think a step becomes like everyone's, that's when it's really sort of like,
Exactly.
you know, it's most loved.
it's not supposed to be so technical that you literally lose the plot over it, but you
Correct.
get the emotion of it, right?
Correct.
And I think that's how it works.
Yeah.
But thank you for doing this. This was so much fun, and I hope next time when I see you, we can also someday witness a lovely dance off. Now, Huma with whom I can't say, we can just put it in universe.
Yeah, double role. मैं अपने आप से dance off कर रही हूँ.
नहीं. Sona ko we will send the clip like, Sona, please, if you could like help us here.
Yeah.
But thank you so much for doing this, Huma.
Thank you.
This was fun. I got a lot of dance content, I would say.
Thank you. Thank you. This is fun.
Yeah.
Hi guys, this is Huma Qureshi and you're watching me on Bollywood Bubble.